Hello friends, welcome to you. Now we are going to solve gate problems on velocity analysis. These problems we have already solved in lecture number 7 by relative velocity method. Now we are going to solve this by the concept of relative instantaneous center method. So let us start with this problem. This is a 4-bar linkage. Say this is O2, this is A, this is B, and this is O4. So this is a 4-bar linkage. The length of O2A, so length of O2A is given, that is 60 mm. Length of O4B, this is also given 160 mm. Omega 2 is equal to 8 radian per second. So fixed link is denoted by 1, crank is 2, that is O2A, AB is 3, and O4B is link number 4. So length of O2A and O4B are given, and rotation angular velocity of crank or O2A is given, that is 8 radian per second. You have to find out what is the angular speed of O4B. Say that is omega 4. So you have to find what is omega 4. So we can apply the concept of relative instantaneous center. How? So whereas angular speed of link 2 is given, you have to find out angular speed of link 4. So which instantaneous center will give you this answer? To find out, we have to locate I24, because at I24 is the point where both link 2 and 4 have same absolute velocity or zero relative velocity. So if we can locate this point, then we will find what is the velocity of link 2 there, and what is the velocity of link 4 will be same at that point. So how to locate I24? We have already studied that the center of revolute joints are the relative instantaneous centers. So this is a 4-bar linkage, and there will be 6 relative instantaneous centers. What are those? I12, I13, I14, I23, I24, I34. So these are 6 relative instantaneous centers. So out of them we can locate 4 directly, because 4 revolute joints are there. So they are center of the revolute joints are the relative instantaneous center. So O2 is what? O2 is I12, because O2 joins link 1 and 2. A is what? I23, because A joins link 2 and 3. What is B? B is nothing but I34, because it joins link number 3 and 4, and O4 is I14, because it joins link number 1 and 4. So we have determined I12, I I23, I34 and I14. So we have to determine I24. Our objective is to determine I24. How we can locate this? To locate I24, we will apply Kennedy's theorem of three centers. Because 2, 4, so we will take 2 and 4 common. First we take link 2, 4 and 1. So 3 rigid bodies are in relative motion. So what are the relative instantaneous centers? I12, I14 and I24. So these three will be collinear. So what is this? I12, where is I12? This is I12 O2, I14, this is I14 and I24. So I24 must lies on this line. So I24 will be collinear with I12 and I14. Similarly, second step we will take 2, 4 and 3 link number. So what are the instantaneous centers? I23, I34, I24. Now I23, I34 and I24 will be also collinear according to Kennedy's theorem of three centers. So where is I23? This is I23. Where is I34? B is I34. So 2, 4 will lie on this line. So now if we extend these two lines, they will meet at I24. So the intersection of AB and O4 is nothing but I24, because I24 lies on this line as well as I24 lies on this line. So their intersection is the location of I24. So now we have located this. The second step is what? Now we can erase these things. The concept is now what? By the definition of I24, this is the point we can consider this lies on link 2 as well as link 4, and at this point both link 2 and link 4 will have same absolute velocity or zero relative velocity. So if we determine the velocity of link 2 at I24, that will be what? Link 2 is hinged at fixed point O2 and it has a pure rotation. So the velocity of link 2 at I24, velocity of link 2 V2 at I24 is what? Is equal to omega 2 into O2 I24. So omega 2 is the rotational angular velocity and distance is what? From the hinge point O2 I24. Similarly, link 4 is hinged at O4 and it has a pure rotation about O4. So V4, that is velocity of 4 at point I24, is equal to what? Omega 4 into O4 I24. That is what distance? This distance, O4 I24. So these two value will be equal by the definition. So we can write omega 4 into O4 I24 is equal to omega 2 into O2 I24. So omega 4 is equal to what? Omega 2 into O2 I24 divided by O4 I24. Now we have to find out this ratio. O2I24 divided by O4I24. Now look here, if these angles are 90 degree, these angles are given, these are both are 90 degree. So triangle AI24O2 and triangle BI24O4 are similar triangle. What is that? So let us come here. Triangle AI24O2 and triangle BI24O4 are similar triangle. So the ratio O2I24 by O4I24, O2I24 by O4I24 is nothing but what? O2A by O4B, and these two link lengths are given. So this ratio is 60 by 160. So we have found this ratio. So omega 4 is equal to what? Omega 2 is 8 radian per second, and this ratio is 60 by 160. So that is 20 and 3. So 3 radian per second. So the answer is 3 radian per second. So what is the concept? I am giving you the conclusion. Whereas rotational speed of link 2 is given, you have to find out rotational speed of link 4. So you have to make a relationship between velocity of link 2 and 4. So which point will give you that? I24. So first locate I24, then velocity of 2 at I24, velocity of 2 at I24 will be equal to velocity of 4 at I24. Apply this. So we will get this equation by applying that, and then you can easily find out omega 4 by solving the geometry only. So we have solved this problem, and by relative velocity method we got the same answer. Now let us solve another problem. Next problem is similar to this, but the link orientation and link lengths are different. This is problem for GATE 2019. It has been asked that let me show the diagram. So say this is O2A, this is B, this is O4. It is given that O2A is equal to O2O4 is equal to L, and AB is equal to O4B is equal to root 2L. Rotational speed of O2A is omega, and rotational speed of O4B is omega 4. So you have to find out the ratio omega 4 by omega 2. What is the ratio? When angle O4 O2A is equal to 90 degree. So the crank angle is 90 degree. This is given. So you have to find out the ratio omega 4 by omega 2 when crank angle O4 O2A, that is this angle, is 90 degree. So let us try the same method like our previous problem. We will locate I24 and we will make a relationship between velocity of link 2 and link 4. So before that, we are going to apply some trigonometry here. As O2A and O2O4 are same length. So this is, so what will be AO4? If this is 90 degree, then this will be root over L square plus L square, that is root 2L. So from geometry we can write AB is equal to O4B is equal to AO4. So ABO4 is an equilateral triangle. So this angle is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, and this is also 60 degree. Now let us locate I24. Where will be I24? I am not repeating the same because in the previous problem we have already located I24. So I24 will be intersection between extension line of BA and O4 O2. So this is my I24. Now this angle is 45 degree because O2A and O4 O2 O4 are in equal length, and this will be also 45 degree. This will be also 45 degree. So now we have to find out the distance O2 I24. What is this angle? This is 45 plus 60, so 105, and this is what? So if then this is 105, 180 minus 105, that is 75 degree. So this angle will be 15 degree. Similarly, this will be also 15 degree. Now if I put this value, that is tan of 15 degree is equal to what? O2A by O2 I24. Let us come to this triangle A I24 O2. So tan of 15 degree is equal to O2A by O2 I24. So O2A is known, that is L. So O2 I24 is equal to L by tan 15 degree. O2 I24 is L by tan 15 degree. Now we are going to apply our fundamental that at point I24, link 2 and link 4 have same velocity. So what is velocity of link 2 at I24? That is omega 2 into O2 I24. So velocity of link 2 at I24 is omega 2 into distance of I24 from the hinge point, that is O2 I24, will be equal to what? Omega 4, that is velocity of link 4. This is link 4, this is link 2. Velocity of link 4 at I24. So omega 4 into, yes, O4 I24. So omega 4 by omega 2 is equal to O2 I24 O4 I24. We have already determined O2I24, that is L by tan 15 degree. And what is O4I24? That is O2I24 plus L. So L tan 15 degree plus L. So right now this becomes 1 by 1 plus tan 15 degree, and this will come, calculate it, and this will come 0.79. So we have determined the ratio between omega 4 and omega 2. Now let us apply, we have not solved this problem by relative velocity method. Let us apply relative velocity to this problem. How to solve this? So erase the everything. Now if we apply the concept of relative velocity, that will be easier also for this problem. Say this is omega 2. Now velocity of point A, VA, velocity of point A is what? VA, which is perpendicular to O2A. So this angle is 90 degree. So velocity of A will be what? VA is omega 2 into L, because O2A is L. O2A is equal to L. And what is velocity of B? VB. VB equal to what? Omega 4 into root 2 L, because length of O4B is root 2 L. And what will be the direction? VB is perpendicular to O4B. VB is perpendicular to O4B and VA is perpendicular to O2A. Now A and B are on same rigid body 3. 3 is the connecting rod or coupler, and A and B are on same rigid body. So we have studied that velocity component of A along AB will be equal with velocity component of B along AB. Now this angle will be what? 15 degree, we have already determined. So VA cos 15 degree is velocity component of A along AB, should be equal to velocity component of B along AB, and this is 30 degree, because this is 60, then this angle is 30 degree. So omega 2 into L cos 15 degree is equal to omega 4 into root 2L cos 30 degree. So omega 4 by omega 2 is equal to L cos 15 degree root 2L cos 30 degree. L cancelled out, and this becomes cos 15 degree root 2 cos 30 degree. And calculate it, this will also becomes 0.79. So we will get the same answer. Here we have applied, we know the direction of 2 points, velocity direction of 2 points at point A and point B, and at point A the magnitude is also known. So if we apply that both A and B are on same rigid body and they have same component along AB, because they are in same rigid body, so length of AB is unchanged. So we have applied this and we have determined this ratio. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you have understand. Jai Hind.